Yeah, hello everyone. This is K. Nagaraju, contract lecturer in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Government Polytechnic for Women, Nizamabad. Today I am going to explain the evaluation of microcontrollers and features of the 8051. That means in the previous class we already studied the few important points related to microcontroller, like the definition for microcontroller, and also we already discussed the microcomputer and microprocessor, the comparison between the microprocessor and microcontroller, and also we already discussed the applications where we are using the microcontrollers in most of the appliances, like a home appliance and a commercial office commercial appliances, and different areas like biomedical field and military field. We are using our microcontrollers. That is the recap. In the previous class we have studied about the concept of microcontrollers and the comparison with the microprocessors and the applications of microprocessors and microcontrollers. What is the disadvantages of the microprocessor, and what is the efficiency, what is the advantage of microcontrollers. In this particular class I am going to explain the evaluation of microcontrollers, the features of 8051 microcontroller, and also we will discuss the different families of the microcontrollers. In a different microcontroller families, the Intel family, the manufactured our microcontrollers, and the Texas family, as well as the PIC family, and Atmel and Renesas families. That means these are the manufacturing units, are the manufacturing companies to manufacture the microcontrollers in a different family chips, like they are introduced in the previously, 80, before 8051 we are having the 8048 or something. They are having some starting, they are designing some microcontrollers. So after then they developed the different types of microcontrollers. So finally 8051 is the most accurate, and it gives the good application for the real-time appliances. That's why we are focusing on the 8051 microcontroller. In the starting, the Intel family introduced the different types of microcontrollers. After then the Texas and PIC, Atmel, all these companies are manufactured the microcontroller units. But popularly the Intel family or the Intel group of manufactured microcontrollers is important, as well as it gives the good applications. That's why we are discussing the 8051 microcontroller. In a microcontroller family from the Intel company, we are having the series of microcontrollers. The microcontroller series, like 48 series, microcontroller 41, 51 series, and the 96 series. These are the some specific names, or the specific numbers are given by the Intel family for the microcontrollers. Yeah, after then the microcontroller family 48 family, uh, the Intel first controller family, microcontroller family, and it introduced in the 1976. Again I am giving the definition for microcontroller. The special digital system contains a microprocessor, a memory, RAM and ROM, input output ports, and a timer on a single chip is known as the microcontroller. Generally, in the 8051, before 8051 family, 8051, the Intel starting in the 1976, the Intel introduced the 8-bit microcontroller, the 8048. Based on that series, they are giving the name as the microcontroller series 48 family. That is the Intel first microcontroller family is the microcontroller series of the 48 family, introduced in the 1976. The popular number for this family, they are giving the 8048. Has 90 instructions, 90% are 1 byte instructions, and 64 to 248 bytes of internal RAM will be available for the 8048 microcontroller. In the 1 to 4 kilobytes of on-chip memory in the ROM memory will be available for the this particular family, and 11 megahertz of the clock speed is available for the 8048. The two timers are there and three 8-bit ports are there for this particular family. In the microcontroller family, the starting at the first controller family introduced in the 1976, and popular number for the 8048, that is the 8048 is the starting Intel introduced microcontroller family. The microcontroller number is the 8048. The most of the instructions are 1 byte instructions, and the memory space for the RAM, which having the 64 kilobytes to 256 bytes of, sorry, not kilobytes, is the bytes, 64 to 256 bytes of the internal RAM will be there for the this particular family, and 1 to 4 kilobytes of on chip ROM will be available for this family. And also the clock frequency is the 11 megahertz clock frequency, and two timers are there, and three 8-bit ports are available for this particular family. After then, we are going to discuss the microcontroller series, the 41 family. This is introduced in the 1979, used in keyboards, analog to digital converters, and also which having the memory 128 to 256 bytes of internal RAM will be present, and 1 to 2 kilobytes of on chip ROM, and 6 to 12.5 megahertz of the clock frequency or the clock speed will be available for this series microcontrollers, and two timers are there, and three 8-bit ports are available for the 8051 family, 8041 family. The most important family introduced in the 1980s, that is the microcontroller series 51 family. The most popular family, it has the 111 instructions are there, and the 128 to 256 bytes of internal RAM for this particular family, and they are having the 4 or 8 or 16 kilobytes of on chip ROM, and 11 to 32 33 megahertz of the clock frequency will be available. Two timers are there, and 8-bit ports are available for this particular family. The microcontroller family 51 family is the most popular and important manufactured microcontroller. This is introduced in the 1980s, and the most popular family, and also which having the 111 instructions are there, and 128 to 250 bytes of internal RAM will be there, and 4 to 8 or 4 or 8 or 16 kilobytes of on chip ROM will be there, and also the clock speed will be 11 to 33 megahertz, and also which having the two timers, and the four 8-bit ports are available, and also 64 kilobytes of external ROM or RAM will be available for this particular family. After then, we are having the 96 family, the microcontroller series 96 family, introduced in the 1982, and 16-bit microcontroller family. This is the 16-bit microcontroller family used in hard drives, and modems, and printers, and the pattern recognizers, and which having the internal RAM with the 232 or 256 or 488 or 512 or 768 or 1 kilobytes of internal RAM will be there for this 96 family, and also which having the on chip ROM, uh, like 8 or 16 or 32 or 56 kilobytes of on chip ROM also available for this particular family, and also the clock speed in the ranges of 12, 16, 20, 50 megahertz of clock speed, and also which having the two timers and five ports. This is the about the 96 family, and also which having the 4 and 6, 8, 14, 16 analog to digital converters are available for this particular family. And here the that is the the different types of families and how they are designed the microcontrollers, some elaborated discussion about the uh, Intel microcontroller family chips. The Intel microcontroller family chips. Again, they are giving some definition related to a microcontroller. The special digital system contains a microprocessor, memory, that is memory RAM or ROM, and input output ports, and a timer on a single chip is known as the microcontroller. Again, I am repeating the definition for the Intel, giving the definition for microcontroller. It states that means the special digital system contains a microprocessor, memory, ROM or RAM, and input output ports, and a timer on a single chip is known as the microcontroller. This is definition given by the Intel company. Then in the 1976, the Intel introduced the 8-bit microcontroller 8048. It is also known as the microcontroller series family, that is the 48. The already we have discussed in the briefly the microcontroller series MCS 48. The same company introduced to drive the evaluation of the single chip microcontrollers. And in the year of 1980, the Intel introduced the microcontroller series 51, that is the 8051 family microcontroller, with a higher performance than the 8048. That means starting they are introduced the 8048 family, but 8048 family they are having some little bit the disadvantages at the starting. The size of the manufacturing unit, like chip, and the total on-chip memories, that all are some the performance point of view. 8048 is little bit less than the 8051. That means the 8048 is the performance is compared with the 8051 will be less. That's why most of the discussions of the microcontrollers we are discussing the 8051 family only. And here we are taking the some comparisons about the our microcontroller Intel family. The table it represents the main features of the Intel 8051 family. Here we are having the features: the ROM on chip, the ROM on chip, yeah, the ROM on chip, the 8051 family which having the 4 kilobytes, and 8052 which having the memory of the ROM on chip is the 8 kilobytes, and 8031 the ROM on chip is the 0 kilobytes. That means here the most of the ROM for the 8051 which having the 4 kilobytes is sufficient for to uh, design or to use the 8051 microcontroller for this particular ROM. And the RAM which having the 8051, the 128 kilobytes of RAM will be available for the microcontroller 8051 microcontroller. The RAM size for the 8052 is the 256 kilobytes, and 8031 family which having the RAM size of 128 bytes. Generally, the timers in the 8051 microcontrollers which are having the two timers, the timer 1 and a timer 2, and also the timer 1 and times which having the lower bits timer, that means the lower bits, and the upper bits, that means the TH and TL. The timer higher, the timer lower, that means the 8 bits is consisting of the 4 bits and 4 bits, the lower bits and upper bits. We are differentiate the timers in the 8051 as well as the remaining series of microcontrollers. The 8052 which having the timers are 3 timers, and 8031 which having the 2 timers. The input output pins for the 8051 which having the 32 bits, 8052 also which are having the 32, 8031 also which are having the 32 pins. That is the input output pins available in the 8051, 52 and 531. The all the three families of the microcontroller families which having the 32 pins only. And series ports for the three family of 51, 52 and 31 which having the serial ports are 111. 111, and the interrupt sources are in the 8051 which having the 6, and 8052 which having the 8, and 8031 which having the 6. This is the discussion on the features of 8051, 5231 is the compared with their particular features. There is the ROM and the RAM and timers and input output pins and serial ports and interrupt sources. And again in the 1983, the Intel introduced a 16-bit single-chip microcomputer series called the Microcontroller Series 96. Already we discussed in the previous one. In the 1983, the Intel introduced the 16-bit 16-bit single-chip microcomputer. The series is called the Microcontroller Series 96. That is the 8096 family. It contains 16-bit CPU, 8 kilobytes of ROM, and 232 bytes of RAM, timers and counters, the parallel input-output ports, the 10 bits analog to digital conversion, and high control such as missile guidance and controlled complex instrumentational system, and controlling sophisticated missions, etc. That means some advanced application point of view, we are using the 8096 family. In the 8096 family, it contains the 16-bit CPU will be available, and 8 kilobytes of ROM will be available, and 232 bytes of the RAM, and timer and counters, and parallel input and output ports, the 10 bits of analog to digital converters, and high control such as missile guidance control and complex instrumentational system and control of sophisticated missions, etc. These are the details of Intel controller family chips. The details of the Intel microcontroller family chips. Here we are having the one small note related to this Intel family. The 8051 is the original number of the 8051 family. It is an 8-bit microcontroller designed by the Intel in the 1981. The 8051 is the original number of the 8051 family. It is a 8-bit controller designed by Intel in the year of 1981. 1981. Here the list the features of various Intel microcontroller family chips. List the features of various Intel microcontroller family chips. The main features of microcontrollers are: a microcontroller is a single chip computer. A microcontroller is the single chip computer. It is used to control the electronic or electromechanical device. It is used to control the electronic or electromechanical devices. It is also called as the dedicated computer or embedded computer. These points are already discussed in the concept of microcontroller. Here again I am repeating, the main features of the microcontrollers are: a microcontroller is a single chip computer. It is used to control electronic or electromechanical devices. It is also called as the dedicated computer or embedded microcontroller. Embedded means is nothing but the hardware and software combinedly, it is called as the embedded. And it has the specified computational capabilities. In compare with general purpose microprocessors, it is less cost and more effective. It has specified computational capabilities. In compare with general purpose microprocessor, it is less cost and more effective. More effective. And it is designed for the specific task. It is designed with VLSI technology. It is high integrated chip that consists all the components comprising a controller. Basically, it contains CPU, ROM, RAM, input output ports and timers. And especially it is designed for the single task to control one device. It is small in size. The microcontrollers are selected based on bus width. The international logic techniques like VLSI or VHDL or Verilog designs technologies we are using for the internal logic techniques. The present we are having the 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontrollers. Once again, I am repeating some points. It has a specified computational capabilities. In compare with general purpose microprocessors, it is less cost and more effective. And it is designed for the specific task. It is designed with VLSI technology. It is highly integrated chip that consists all the components comprising a controller. Basically, it contains a CPU, RAM, ROM, input output ports and timers. Especially, it is designed for the single task to control one device. It is small in size. The microcontrollers are selected based on bus width. The international logic technique VLSI or VHDL or Verilog, and it present 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit and 64 sorry 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontrollers are used. This is the important features of the Intel the microcontroller family chips. One minute. Yeah. The features of 8051 microcontroller. It has 8-bit CPU designed for control applications, has 4 kilobytes of internal program memory, has 128 bytes of on-chip data memory, that is the RAM, and supports 64 kilobytes of program memory and supports the 64 kilobytes of data memory. Yeah, here 1 minute, all of you please. Yeah, the important features of 8051 microcontroller. The features of Intel 8051 family has 8-bit CPU designed for the control applications, has 4 kilobytes of internal program memory, that is the ROM. It has 128 bytes of on-chip data memory and support the 64 kilobytes of the program memory. It supports the 64 kilobytes of data memory, and it has 4 8-bit parallel ports. The ports can operate as 32 individually addressable input output lines and has full duplex, universal, synchronous receiver and transmitter, asynchronous receiver and transmitter, and has on-chip clock generator, has 16-bit timers and counters, handles interrupt coming from 16 different sources, performs the Boolean operations on a single bit data also. And also the 8051 is a 8-bit microcontroller. It was designed by the Intel in the 1981. It is a 40-pin IC chip. It operates with 12 megahertz of clock and the single 5 volt supply. And its internal ROM on-chip program memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. And it has internal RAM on-chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes. And it has external data memory of 64 kilobytes, external program memory of 64 kilobytes. And it has two 16-bit timers or counters, and it has 32 bidirectional input output lines organized as 4 8-bit ports, that is the P0 to P3, and it has one serial port and 4 8 input output ports. It has 4 bank registers. It has 5 interrupts, 2 from external devices, 2 from timers or counters, and 1 from serial port. It has 111 instructions, 49 single byte, 45 2 bytes, and 17 3-byte instructions. Again, we will discuss the important features of the 8051 microcontroller family. Yeah, the features of 8051 family has 8-bit CPU designed for control applications, has 4 kilobytes of internal program memory, 4 kilobytes of internal program memory, has 128 bytes of on-chip data memory, and supports the 64 kilobytes of program memory, and supports the 64 kilobytes of data memory, and it has 4 8-bit parallel ports. The ports can operate as 32 individually addressable input output lines, has full duplex, universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter, has on-chip clock generator, has two 16-bit timers or counters, handles the interrupts coming from the 6 different sources, performs the Boolean operations on a single bit data. The 8051 is the 8-bit microcontroller. It has designed by Intel in the year of 1981. It is a 40-pin IC chip. It operates with 12 megahertz of clock and single 5 volts of supply. And its internal ROM on-chip program memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. Its internal RAM on-chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes. It has external data memory of 64 kilobytes and external program memory of 64 kilobytes, and it has two 16-bit timers or counters. It has 32 bidirectional input output lines organized as 4 8-bit ports, that is the port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3, and it has one serial port and 4 8-bit input output ports. It has 4 bank registers, bank 0, bank 1 and bank 2 and bank 3, and it has 5 interrupts, 2 from the external devices, 2 from the timers or counters and 1 from the serial port, and it has 111 instructions, 49 single byte instructions, 45 2 byte instructions and 17 3 byte instructions. And here one of the important discussion about the multiplexing and demultiplexing of the signals of the 8051 microcontroller. The microcontroller follows Intel standard. It provides the multiplexed the address and data buses. That means multiplexing means is a combined or multiplex the two signals. For example, if you want to take the one multiplexer, two different signals like a sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, these are the some different signals is multiplexed with the multiplexer and we will get the single output. The multiplexer, the input lines are multiple lines and output is the only single output based on the selection line. Same as here also, the addresses and data buses multiplexed in this particular microcontroller family. That is the Intel standards. For demultiplexing, use the one device like a chip latch, that is the 74LS373 latch. Demultiplexing means here the single input, the multiple outputs, that is the demultiplexing. For the demultiplexing, use the 74LS373 latch. Initially, the address latch enable is high, therefore 74373 is enabled. When in the demultiplexing, the 74LS370 latch is enabled. Whenever the address latch enable is high, therefore this particular latch will be enabled. When the AL is high, on port 0 we get the address, that is PLC program counter lower bit, and therefore the output latch is nothing but 07AA as ALE. That means whenever the ALE is high, the address latch enable is high. The port 0, we are having the 4 ports. The port 0 we get addressed, that is the program counter lower bytes are address. Therefore, the output of the latch is nothing but which is having the range of 07AA, that is the range as ALE. After some time, if the ALE will be 0, therefore the contents will be latched. That means the contents is the data will be latched. Now even though the input is disappears, the output 07AA will be interact till the next ALE cycle will be available. Next ALE cycle high. If the next ALE cycle will be high until the data will be input data will be disappears. At this stage we will ready with data bus 07DD and lower address bus and higher address bus we will get from the port 2. Up to at this stage we ready with the data bus, that is the 07DD and lower address bus, and higher order address bus we get from the port 2. Finally, it control bus, the signals will be read, write and program status enable and reset. These are the pins are used to control the signals in the multiplexing and demultiplexing of the signals address and data bus in the 8051, and also we are having the address latch enable. This is the internal structure of the multiplexing and demultiplexing of the data and program data and addresses in the 8051 microcontroller. In the right side we are having the ports are port 0 and port 2, and also the port 3 pins we are having the read write and program status enable. Here we are having the clock for the resetting of the signals, the reset switch circuitry, and also here we are having the crystal. This is the resetting of the signals. This is the crystal circuit, the clock generation. The port 3 we are having the 3 pins read write and program status enable, and upper bits of the address bus. This is the address lines of the port 2, and the lower bits of the address bus for the port to 0. Here we are multiplexing the address and data lines, and here demultiplexing the data lines. Here the address lines, here data lines. Here we are having the address and data both are is multiplexed, and here the address lines, here we are getting the data lines. That is demultiplexing and multiplexing will be available for the program address lines and data lines in the 8051 microcontroller family. Summary: in this class we have already studied about the evaluation of microcontrollers and features of the 8051 microcontroller, and explain the multiplexing and demultiplexing of the 8051 microcontroller. And frequently asked question in this particular subject, write about evaluation of the microcontrollers. That means evaluation means the 1976, 8048, 81, 8051 family. We are having the evaluation where they started the manufactured the microcontrollers, and how they are increased the development of designing of the microcontroller based on technologies. That is completely about the evaluation of the microcontrollers. And also list the features of 8051 microcontroller. List the features of the 8051 microcontroller. um, we are having the some important features of the microcontroller, like for example, it has an 8-bit microcontroller. It was designed by the some important features. We are having the uh, multiple features are available for the 8051, but here we are writing the few important features. We are discussing the few important features of the Intel 8051 microcontroller. And here the 8051 is the 8-bit microcontroller. One is the important point. Some examinations they are asking the 8051 is a which type of microcontroller, 8-bit or 16-bit or 32-bit microcontroller. Generally 8051 microcontroller is the 8-bit microcontroller, and it was designed by the Intel in the year of 1981. Generally the most important and popular microcontroller is the 8051. This is manufactured by the company Intel, introduced in the 1981. It was designed by Intel in the year of 1981. It has the 40 pins of IC chip. This is also one of the important point for in any Viva or any competitive exam. They are asking the 8051 IC, how many pins are there? 30 pins or 20 pins or 40 pins? Our answer is 40 pins. One important point is 8051 is the 8-bit microcontroller, and it has the 40 pins. The 40 pins, and it operates with the frequency of 12 megahertz of clock and supply of 5 volts of supply. This is also one of the important point. I will discuss only important points related to the features of the 8051 microcontroller. It operates with 12 megahertz of clock and single 5 volts supply, and single 5 volts supply, and its internal ROM, the on-chip program memory capacity, the internal on-chip, internal means on-chip, ROM, read-only memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. We have to remember the internal ROM of the 8051 microcontroller. The on-chip program memory of capacity of 8051 microcontroller is the 4 kilobytes. The internal RAM, on-chip data memory. RAM is the data memory, ROM is the program memory. The internal RAM, on-chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes. The internal ROM, on-chip program memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. The internal RAM, on-chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes. It has external data memory of 64 kilobytes and external program memory of 64 kilobytes. The internal ROM 64 kilobytes, internal RAM 128 bytes, external data memory 64 kilobytes, external program memory 64 kilobytes. The external data and program memory is same, that is 64 kilobytes. The internal ROM, read-only memory, read-only memory means on-chip program memory, on-chip program memory 4 kilobytes. Internal RAM, random access memory, that is the on-chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes only, not a kilobytes. And it has two 16-bit timers and counters. This is the one of the important part. It has the two 16 bits, 8 plus 8, 16 bit timer or counters will be available, and 32 bidirectional input output lines organized as 4-bit ports. Total we are having the 32 bidirectional. That means, that is the one of the important thing is bidirectional means we can both the direction operate the pins of the input output pins of the microcontroller. The all are addressable, then you can access the more number of devices is interface to the microcontroller. That's why it has the 32 bits of bidirectional input output lines are organized as 4 8-bit ports. That means 32 by 4 is nothing but 8. That means 4 individual 8 blocks. That will be the 8-bit, 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 8-bit. That means 4 8 bits of ports. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. That means the 4 ports are available for organizing the input output lines of the microcontroller. That will be the 4 ports are port 0 and port 3. While architecture of the 8051, the entire circuit diagram, we will know the ports. That is the internal circuit diagram of 8051. We simply observe the P0 through P0, the port 1, port 0, port 3 and port 2. And also it has the one serial port and 4 8-bit input output ports, which has the 32 bidirectional input output lines organized as 4 8-bit ports. That is the port 3 to port 1 to port 0 to port 3, and it has one serial port and 4 8-bit input output ports, and it has 4 bank registers, which having the 4 bank registers: bank 0, bank 1, bank 2 and bank 3. And also one of the important point is interrupt. 5 interrupts are available for the 8051 microcontroller. In the 8 interrupts, 2 from the external devices, 2 from the timer or counters, or 1 from the serial port. The 8051 microcontroller, which having the 5 interrupts. In these 5 interrupts, 2 interrupts from the external devices, 2 from the timer or counters, and one from the serial port, and it has 111 instructions, the 49 single byte instructions, and 45 2 byte and 17 3 byte instructions. Total 111 are instructions are used in the 8051 microcontroller. In these 111 instructions, 49 are the single byte instructions, 45 are the 2 byte instructions, and 17 for the 3 byte instructions. These are the important features of the 8051. The most of the examinations are the generally the student must know the features of the 8051 microcontroller. For example, in the microcontroller, we are having the laboratory. In the Viva voice, they are asking the how many number of pins available in the 8051 microcontroller. That is the 40 pins. That means already what we are discussing about the features of 8051, all the points are very very important for the students how to remember these points. And some important quiz questions. Before that, you have the frequently asked questions. You have to add one more question, like 1 minute. Like one more question is the explain the multiplexing and demultiplexing of 8051 microcontroller. Multiplexing and demultiplex means the multiplexer is used to multiplex the different signals. In the different signals, we are having the data and address signals. That means data and address are multiplexed in the 8051 microcontroller with the help of and multiplexing and demultiplexing of the signal unit. In this we are using the one latch, the demultiplexing latch, that is the 74LS373 latch is used. Based on that latch is enabling and disabling, like address latch enable, then it operates the address and data lines are multiplex, and address and data lines are demultiplex, and also we are having the control bus signals like read write program status enable signal and reset and address latch enable pins. That means we are having the control bus signals, we are having the 5 signals like read write program status enable and reset and address latch enable. This is the one of the important frequent last question is the multiplexing and multiplexing of the 8051. And also here we are going to discuss the few important feature related questions. 8051 has internal program memory of. Already I discussed 8051 has the internal program memory. The program memory is the 4 kilobytes. The 8051 has internal data memory of. Next question is there or not? Not there. Next question is the 8051 has internal data memory of 128 bytes. In place of here, if they are asking here internal program memory 4 kilobytes. Internal data memory 128 bytes only, not a kilobytes. 8051 has dash timers. I already explained the features in the twice. Why? Because the most of the questions, the quiz related questions are multiple choice questions or the filling the blanks questions. Most of the asked in the features of 8051. It has a 16-bit timers. Two 16-bit timers are there for the 8051. And third question is 8051 has dash parallel ports. 8051 has how many number of parallel ports? 4 8-bit parallel ports are there. Total 32 bits are used for the bidirectional input output lines, that is 4 ports. This is the discussion about some important discussion about the the evaluation of 8051 microcontroller, as well as the uh, what we are discussing the features of 8051 microcontroller, and also we are discuss the multiplexing or demultiplexing of the 8051 microcontroller family. Based on these three questions, I am again asking you some important quiz related questions. All of you please try to remember these points. The 8051 is a dash bit microcontroller. The 8051 is an dash bit microcontroller. Our answer is 8-bit microcontroller. And 8051 microcontroller family is designed by, starting is designed by Dash family, Intel family in the year of 1981. The 8051 IC chip having the pins dash 20 pins, 40 pins, 60 pins, 80 pins. Our option is 40 pins. And 8051 microcontroller with dash clock with a single dash supply. It operates with 12 megahertz of clock and single 5 volts supply. Single 5 volts supply. The internal ROM on chip program memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. The internal RAM on chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes. The external data and program memory of 8051 is 64 kilobytes. And how many timers and counters are there? 16-bit. And organized by the 8-bit ports. How many 8-bit ports? 4 8-bit ports. And which having the one serial port and 4 8-bit input output ports, and also which having the 4 important bank registers, and also which having the 5 interrupts, 2 from the external devices, 2 from the timer and counters, 1 from the serial port. And also it has the 111 instructions. It have the 111 instructions, 49 single byte instructions, 45 2 byte instructions, and 17 are the 3 byte instructions. I hope all of you understood this class. Next class we will discuss the next topic. Have a great day.